Good morning guys. Let's see function definition in C++. As we know, this is a syntax for function prototype or function declaration. This statement contains function name, input argument list, return type and a semicolon. This statement or function prototype is used by compiler for strong type checking. If you remove this semicolon and include curly bracket opening and curly bracket closing, then this is function definition. Function definition means you are giving definition or you are defining this function. This part, return type, function name, input argument list, this part is header, and curly bracket opening and closing, this is function body. Fine, this is function body. In this body, we write code to be executed when anyone calls this function. Let's understand this with an example. Int sum int a comma int b. So this is our function prototype because I am ending this by semicolon. If I remove semicolon and insert curly bracket opening and closing, then this is your function definition. Here I can include statement to be executed when anyone calls this function. Fine. So I am writing return a plus b and semicolon. So what this function is doing, the function name is sum, input arguments a and b, and they both are of type integer. Return a plus b. A and b both are integer, so a plus b is also an integer expression, so it's returning an integer value. Again repeating, function name is sum. It's taking two input arguments a and b, both are of type integer, and the return statement return a plus b. A plus b is an integer expression, so it's returning integer value. So this is function definition. Function definition means function header plus body, or you can say prototype, include semicolon and plus head body. Fine. So if let's see where we can place this function sum in our program. Int sum int comma int and a semicolon. Int main opening and closing. Before closing, return statement return 0. Int sum int a comma int b, curly bracket opening and closing, return statement return a plus b and a semicolon. So firstly you can declare function, you can give function prototype, then main, and after main you can define your function. Fine. After main you can define your function. There is one point to be noted here. In function declaration, like int sum, int comma int, it's not compulsory for you to have variable name. For example, here I am not taking any variable name. Here I am including a and b because I am using these variables inside my function body. So it's not compulsory for you to have variable name in the function declaration part, but in function body, it's compulsory for you to have variable names. Fine. So there is one option, have your function declaration, main, and then function body. Or you can have like this, int sum, int a, comma int b, return a plus b semicolon, and in main, int main, then return 0. So you can give whole definition of sum function and then main. Fine. Inside main, int x equals to sum 2 comma 3 and a semicolon. So this is your function calling. This is your function calling. You are providing actual parameters. Fine. This is your function calling. Int x equals to sum 2 comma 3. 2 comma 3, these are known as actual parameters or actual arguments. A and B, these are known as formal parameters or formal arguments. Actual parameters or actual arguments, formal parameters or formal arguments. Fine. So with respect to function, we know three things: function declaration, function definition, function calling. If semicolon, then function declaration. If curly bracket opening and closing, then function definition. If actual parameters, then function calling. Fine. Thank you.